All right. See how thick that hole is, like obviously all the way through. This is just going to provide them some temporary coverage. Hopefully they'll purplize that up a little bit. They won't just take it out. But you want to isolate their exits to one or two areas. But in my experience, these bees will just do what they want. You can get some mesh, and I have some, and put it in there. But I'm not going to worry about that right now. I'm just trying to get that closed up a little bit. Because I hate to admit it, but these bees are in a robbing environment. Just because it's rainy or windy or cold doesn't mean that they're going to be friendly toward each other. But also it helps a little bit with their environmental ability to control their environment. Having that there. So now the bees that are right here guarding this can focus here and up in these other little small areas where small hive beetles and things walk in. I just know I need to start replacing these boxes. This box is brand new from Mann Lake, at least a couple of years old now, but it's just painted. Whereas this box, these boxes, some of these boxes have been waxed. This box, brand new, painted. I probably need to do something there. I can wax them. I will wax these guys and try to. Lately, when I wax, I do more waxing than my friends' stuff than my own. Which is fine, but I got so many now I gotta wax. It takes so much time to heat up all your paraffin and your microcrystalline. That's just to provide a little bit of water barrier.